Hi everyone. Get ready to meet the darkness on two wheels. This is the 2025 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S Custom, the Dark Rider. A machine crafted to rule the streets with raw attitude, deep black style, and unstoppable performance. Let's dive into a world where power meets precision, and every ride feels like a rebellion. If there's ever been a bike that truly earns the name Dark Rider, you're looking at it right now. This beast was born as a Harley-Davidson Low Rider S, but in our hands, it's been transformed into something much more. A real magnet for asphalt and attention. Everything about it screams dominance. It's black. It's loud. It's unapologetically bold. And every single detail has been carefully crafted with one thing in mind: your ultimate riding experience. When you roll up on the Dark Rider, you're not just riding, you're making a statement. We've taken the standard bike and equipped it with stunning new Digger design wheels. Up front, a bold 21-inch wheel wrapped in a Metzler 130/60 tire leads the charge. In the back, a massive 200 tire on an 18-inch rim plants you firmly on the asphalt. Every single piece, right down to the last bolt, shines in deep, glossy black. But we didn't stop there. To make sure the rear end isn't just beautiful, but also fully adjustable to your mood, we fitted the Dark Rider with an air ride suspension kit. With just a press of a button, you can raise or lower the bike by up to 10 centimeters, slammed for that aggressive parked look, lifted for maximum comfort while riding. Smooth, smart, TILF-approved. This is stance meeting style at its finest. And to keep the lines clean and raw, we handcrafted a steel rear fender, welded in-house. It reveals as much of that fat rear wheel as possible, putting rubber, rim, and pure power on full display. Why do riders love this look? Because less is more. Minimalistic, sharp, unapologetic. Even the integrated turn signal and taillight combo in the fender keeps things so clean you'll wonder if it's even legal. Up front, we swapped the stock brake discs for our sleek spoke design. As for the rear brake, you won't even see it, and that's exactly the point. Thanks to our hidden pulley brake system, it's all performance without ruining the view. Form meets function in the best way. You don't just sit on the Dark Rider, you command it. That's why we installed a forward-mounted footrest system, giving you the stance of a true boss. And the handlebars? They stay true to the original spirit, but we fine-tuned their position using precision-milled risers, because perfection demands it. Of course, everything is finished in deep black, solid, bold, and irresistibly sexy. Underneath the dashboard, our ultra-slim stripe indicators stay almost invisible, like a secret code between true riders. And when it's time to speak louder than words, you'll have the Jekill and Hyde valve exhaust at your command. Quiet when you need to blend in. Loud when you want to take over the streets. The Dark Rider isn't just a bike. It's a tribute to craftsmanship, to attitude, and to every perfect detail. Almost every bolt has been blacked out, because honestly, it just looks better that way. If you don't stop and stare, you're either blind or riding something with pedals.
Votre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, oui, les toreros peuvent s'entendre. Pour plaisir, ils ont les combats. Le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein d'automate. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur c'est un bel après fracasse. Apostrophe, puis c'est tapage, pour c'est jusqu'à ce l'empereur, car c'est la fête du courage, c'est la fête des chiens de guerre. Allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend. On fait silence, à qu'à se passe-t-il? Plus d'éclussation, le taureau se lance en bandissant auditorie. Il s'élance, il entre et frappe, en chevelure, entraînant un pic d'or. Ah, bravo taureau, il le foule, le taureau va, il vient, il frappe encore, en secouant ses banderilles, plein de fureur il coule, le cirque est plein de sang, en se sauve, en franchit le cri, c'est un deux maintenant, allons, en garde, allons, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour t'attend, toréador, toréador, l'amour t'attend.
Thanks for watching.